ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ke Sorga Jela Rakam Sangma Ulihat Hu baka Principal Jong Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai Kalapan Map now Director of School and Education and Literacy Namar baki kena kila tem na Jingrwai Prah hakapor baki kena school kirakhe ya ka Teachers Day Rakam ulihat Hu baka Principal kala de Paai ya ka Jubab halor ka Jingpan Jingsha Jokatnat bat minta kidang bishar benya ya ka Jubab jongka Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ula ongru Bakam baha bantem ya ki Jingrwai jang ki sang perthai ki skol ni ki jaka puli namar bakam long ka badai ban penkala rensan politics ya ki jaka puli shan ula ong bakatnat puli putih kan pha ya ki kendon cha ki jaka puli bakum kini ki jingja kim dei shu pandangja uli thu baka principal jaka Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai kala jubab dak ong bagi ki kena ki batem ya ki Jingrwai Prah ki bor peniat skol.
The rector has issued some soft notice to the principals of that school, and the principals has come and met the rector and apologized, I've been told, and their reply is being examined by the department. But however, I would like to say, yes, teachers, as per the Honorable High Court order, teachers are allowed to join in the politics, but it is not correct to convert school campuses into politics forum. Having said so, yes, sometimes our students in many instances in the past also in different schools, be it in Garo Hills, be it in here this side. So sometimes like out of enjoyment, like our students used to use for this song and all, but it doesn't feel good as a school campus, because as a school administration, school has certain limit, because today you may play, you may use some political party song, and then tomorrow maybe some other song, and the day after will be some other party song. Then in the process, whole campus will convert into the political forum. So we don't want to convert in all this. To avoid further more complicacy, I would like to appeal and request the school administration and the students to the maximum this kind of political songs and material, if not used in the school campus, is paid for the school, is best for the school administration. Okay, because since it is already we will discuss the matter. But however, I want to request each one of us, each institutions and the students, let us in the campus refrain from using all the political materials and the songs and the music. Yes, we have many different music and the songs which is good for dance, good for enjoyment. So we have songs for patriotism, for that many songs let us use. But I would request all my dear students across the state, let's not use any political song, because I have seen in the many instances in the past also, in many schools this happened. So I think we will issue some guidelines, some circular to the head of the institutions, so that they avoid and to the maximum possible. So these things should not happen. Principals at the head of the institution, they have come and met our officers. The things is being examined, and so since I have been told, they have already apologized for things. So since it is being used by the students, but I want to request to all my dear students, students also, let us learn to understand the limit of all this. Yes, to to me personally, yes, we have a freedom of speech, we have a freedom of expression, what we desire and what we thought. But however, like to convert our school campuses into political forum doesn't look good. To be frank, because I want to say today, one group is supported from one political party, and the other group has also supported from other political party. Sometimes, if they fail, we will also use our own political party, our supporter songs. If somebody says, we will also use our supporter song, and tomorrow I think that particular campus will convert into political what you call field. So I think to avoid all this complexity in the days to come, better not to. I would advise school campuses and my dear students not to use this political song in their future.